Hey Dutch crew and hashtag Woodfire crew, welcome back to the channel. Now this is not the video I was expecting to make after a bit of a layoff of doing the videos. So I've received a letter from these people, Shark Ninja. Now that is the last time I'm allowed to say that name. The letter's now on the screen if you want to pause it and read it at your own leisure, and that's entirely up to you. So apparently I've been a very naughty boy. I've been told I can't use that name at all. I can't say it. Apparently it's trademarked. Other people can use it and say it, but not me. So from now on, they're going to be known as the Turtle People. So Turtle People, we know you've been watching the videos, so you might as well subscribe, like, and leave a little comment down below in the description, and you might have a chance of winning some premium pellets for the outdoor grill at the end. So this letter is regarding my activities on Facebook, my website, and also this YouTube channel. Apparently I've been breaking all the rules. So apparently I've been using their trademarks, which is obviously their name, which I'm not allowed to use, so we won't use that anymore. I've also been using their copyrighted pictures or images without their permission. So any creators out there that now use the Turtle People's images without their consent, you better stop it, or you might get a letter from the Turtle People police. So from now on I've got to revert to this as the outdoor electric grill or barbecue. I can't use any names that they associate with it. All the images now of this grill will be my own, that I will shoot and use. They can't stop me doing that. I will still be making videos on this. It's just a shame that I've promoted this grill since day one. Even before it came out, I was interested in it. As many people will know, I'm an admin on Facebook groups for this machine. I give advice on it, how to use it, which settings to use. I write informative descriptions on how to cook things like, say, a joint of beef and things like that. And it's just a shame that I always said it then. It's just a shame that the Turtle People have now banned me from this. So going on, I'll still be selling my range of pellets, but I'm going to have a makeover on that. I say I cannot use that name. The surprising thing is they've not actually complained about the name I'm using to sell the pellets, which is a strange thing. So we're going to have to do a bit of a rebranding, and this is what we're going to do. Rebranded. So moving forward, we're going to be known now as the Pellet Man. We put a lot of thought into this to get the name exactly right. So the Pellet Man it is. We don't want any association with their branded pellets. So if you want good pellets, don't forget to hit up the Pellet Man. And don't forget, this is still the home of this, the economizer. It simply drops into the hopper, so you only need 50% of the pellets to do all those short cooks. So we're going to get down to the nitty gritty of this letter and what they're asking me to stop doing by the 24th of July. On the first point, which is on the screen, I've already changed that. We will not refer to it as what they're saying. So okay, let's move on. For the second point, we've got to stop using their images. Fair enough, as I've already said, we'll use all our own images. And the third point, which is this, I suggest you stop trying to bully the new kid on the playground. You pull your big girl's pants on, get your crew behind you, you give Jeff a call at Amazon and his boys, arrange a meeting behind the bike sheds and get it sorted between you. There is nothing you can do. I'm not a seller, I'm not a reseller. I don't have to be authorised by you. I'm a broker. I bring a person who wants to buy your product together with the person who's selling it, which is Amazon. I take a small commission for bringing the two together, and that's it. So turtle people, you can forget that. You've tried and it fails, and you won't intimidate me. So let's get on to the fun part of this video. As previously stated, I'm going to give away a £25 voucher to spend on pellets, economiser, or whatever you want to on the Pellet Man website. Recently on Facebook there was a poll regarding the pellets and how they perform. This is the result. Quite well, it speaks for itself really. The winning phrase is this. So all you've got to do is subscribe to my channel, like this video, and use that winning phrase in the comments below. Obviously this is only open to UK residents because of the shipping, so good luck, and I thank you all for watching. Take care. We're watching you, Dutchy.